Start your day gluten-free.
Looking for easy and nutritious gluten-free breakfasts? You don't have to sacrifice taste or time. With a little planning, mornings can be simple and satisfying, even with a gluten-free lifestyle. Here are 5 delicious and quick ideas to energize your mornings and keep you feeling your best all day.
1. Greek yogurt parfait.
Layer gluten-free granola, Greek yogurt, and fresh berries for a protein-packed parfait. This breakfast is rich in probiotics, antioxidants, and fiber. Prepare it the night before or assemble in minutes before heading out the door. For added crunch, choose nuts or seeds that are certified gluten-free.
2. Overnight oats.
Combine certified gluten-free oats with almond milk, chia seeds, and fruit. Let it sit overnight in the fridge. In the morning, grab and go for a filling breakfast high in fiber and healthy fats. Try mixing in nut butter or cinnamon for extra flavor and nutrition.
3. Veggie Egg Muffins.
Whisk eggs with your favorite vegetables and cheese, then bake in muffin tins. These portable mini omelets can be made ahead and stored in the fridge for up to 4 days. Enjoy them warm or cold for a protein-rich, gluten-free breakfast on the go.
4. Rice cake with nut butter and banana.
Top a plain, unsalted rice cake with almond or peanut butter and banana slices. This quick breakfast contains complex carbs, protein, and potassium. Sprinkle with chia seeds or a dash of cinnamon for extra nutrients and flavor.
5. Smoothie Bowl.
Blend frozen fruit, spinach, and a splash of gluten-free milk for a thick smoothie base. Pour it into a bowl and top with gluten-free granola, coconut, or seeds. This breakfast is packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, perfect for a refreshing start to your day.
Make mornings effortless.
Healthy gluten-free breakfasts can be quick and satisfying. By prepping ingredients ahead or choosing simple combinations, you'll never be short on morning fuel. Try these ideas to enjoy variety, nutrition, and convenience, even on the busiest days.